I found it.
Thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County.
That is. If KW35 is going to come in, that is them. Oh wait, there's WXM60, WXM60, WXM60.
Southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern thunderstorms are occurring ahead of this one. Northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in 217, Town Brook, Benville, Durham, Flanagan, High Bridge, south of 40 miles south of Houston, moving eastern 40 miles.
Alright, that's WWJZ and WKVP. That's the wrong station?
Northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey. South.
Oh, wait, WKDN, 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 WKDN.
For protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Also, yes, guys, new station,
A severe
WYPA.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, and Northampton.
That's WWJZ. WYPA is finished. They're actually an early station to relay that one.
In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Remember, if you can close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, and Northampton. Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 5:45 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Tillman Island, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Blackownet Point, Choptank River, and Tillman Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Alert! Alert! Where's my DSP?
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Martin County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 6:15 p.m. and 5:09 p.m. Located over Bellmead, 8 miles south of Somerville, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Time to use WYPA once again. WXM60, WXM60, non-existent.
Till 6:15 p.m. And 5:09 p.m. South Brunswick, located over Bellmead, 8 miles south of Somerville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Radar indicated. And power line is possible. Locations impacted include Brunswick, Cook Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South, in northern New Jersey until forecast.
Damage to roof.
For your protection,
And power lines if possible.
Location 11 roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middletown, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset.
South Brunswick, Fairwood, North Brunswick, Marlborough, United Head, and Five, Cambridge, and Middlesex. For your protection, you will carry a room on the lowest floor of the building.
I'm setting this on WKVP, on WYPA.
Remember, if you have a offender, you also must be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle on the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. Again, changes.
Philadelphia County. Oh, that's me.
North Central Gloucester County, Southern New Jersey. West Central Burlington County.
Surely
in
that's
Southern New
me.
Jersey. South Central Montgomery County in southeastern
Oh, OW.
Philadelphia County. Eastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. 2 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Morris.
All right, WURD. Thank you.
Philadelphia, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. The strongest winds may occur ahead of heavy rain. Source:
Let me put it on their FM.
possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Gloucester,
Wait.
Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Lindenwood, Belmore, Young, Woodbury, for 8 miles west of Philadelphia, moving southeast at 30 miles. For your protection, move to the
Okay, not for me. Not for me. Not for me.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey,
low.
issued a severe thunderstorm. County in southern New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm coming out of southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester.
Oh, WKDN, WKDN.
Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. The National Weather Service was immediately. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close to increased lightning.
And power lines is possible. Location.
WH, 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 WH. WH, WH.
In New Jersey, Camden, and Gloucester.
What about WU?
An interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember,
Okay, these guys are finished. Let me check if WYPA is done.
and give you tips for living a better life. I'm doing this.
Okay, everybody's finished. Oh! Oh! Marine warning! Marine warning!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
Monday,
North Beach to Drill Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay until 7:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cambridge to 6 nautical miles east of Fort Washington to near Fort Tobacco River. East of 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots for rear.
Frequency low.
I'm now just gonna set this on WXL.
Include Choptank River. Bridge. Fill the sandwich. Watch point. Check. Cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Chesapeake Bay Bridge, James Island, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, and Mayo. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern
SVR!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
I'm gonna be in this SVR. There's no way. I can hear WIPA going.
Well ahead of any source, radar indicated. Impact.
Let me hear this. Let me hear this.
Lines if possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, Lakewood, Jackson, Willingboro, Lombard, Florence, Beechwood, Burlington.
Yep, that's me. That's the SVR I'm wanted. WWJZ's going.
The strongest winds may occur well ahead of any rain.
Allentown and Pemberton. People at the Burlington County Farm Fair should seek safe shelter immediately.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I know that where the Burlington County Farms Fair is.
Short, radar indicated Allentown. A severe the counties in New Jersey. Bordentown, Residential Lakes, Estates, Seaside Heights, Lake City,
Colletown, Allentown, and
County Farm Fair should seek shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued from
WWJZ's finished.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, central Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, southern Canton County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 7 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beckett, or 8 miles east of Wilmington, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
How long ago was this then? How long ago was that? It was about... Southern Trenton County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 7 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
That's WWJZ.
PM for the following counties: Cumberland, and Salem.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging wind, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties.
Until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Atlantic, Cambridge, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Atlantic, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
Let me put this back on the regular set. I was wrong. I said the rain was supposed to end already, but no, it's already back again.
Thunderstorm was located near Peathatch Island, moving south at 15 knots.
This is about to be short.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Until hazardous weather passes.
Again, less than 50 seconds long. Marine warning! Wait, that was on WXM 60.
Bordering with this storm. A strong gust front was located over Fork River, moving southeast at 35 knots. Thunderstorms to the west will also hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged.
KWL 35 wet before WXM 60.
Servicing up in New York has issued a special note.
SVR, KIH!
Thunderstorm warning for Southern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 7 p.m. Thunderstorm warning for southern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey. You hear the
WIPA is going. I wonder if I can get KHB38 right now. I know that there's something going on because I can't get good reception right now.
Frequency mode. 1, 6, 2,
Let me see.
4, 0.
Central Pennsylvania this afternoon and produce gusty winds and locally heavy.
Yeah, no, that's a no, that's a no, that's a no.
1.
Southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey. Utah southwest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Indoors immediately. Southeast and
More high-state quarters, Ashland, Brookfield, Warren Village, Bennett, River State Forest, Old Halfway, Leisure Town, Chatsworth, Penn State Forest,
Damage to roofs.
Mystic Islands, Ocean Acres, Monahonkin, and where...
Locations of Sanford include Barnegat,
10 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Tabernacle, a 5 miles east of Columbus City, moving southeast.
State Forest, Old Halfway, Leisure Town, Chatsworth. Near thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey.
I did wish I was getting a WKHV-38 right now, but oh well.
Protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to managing wind, frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey:
Burlington and Ocean. Nice, another SVR for my county, but not for my town.
Warning for central and Houghton County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Lehigh County in Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. It's 46 my cloudy miles per hour. The National Weather Service in New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Houghton County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, north Saturday.
Answer that.
Oh, my CNG activated! Finally, WNG wins!
Move indoors immediately. Remember,
Let me get everything before it ends.
Warren and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks,
for your
Lehigh,
protection,
and
move
North
to an
Avenue.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, Bethlehem.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Warden State following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, and North Avenue.
I guess WNG does relay for Bucks County.
For you,
SVR, WXM60 is going off!
and waves may be higher in and near thunderstorms. National Weather New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 7:40. Will actually did.
We have clocked in the ultimate worship playlist that is complete.
There goes WYPA, Air 1.
Frequency mode.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oregon County, southeastern Burlington County, and southern New Jersey until 7:45 p.m. Warren Road, 6:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Bass River State. At 6:55 p.m.
Shoot! WKDN! They should be about done by now.
Public, Wading River. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington and Ocean. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. Our favorite.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey:
Burlington and Ocean. I want to test out WYPA here eventually, because I want to see if I can get them here, so that way this could become the preset for it, maybe. WXL alert, WXL alert, WXL alert, WXL alert. I don't know where it is.
Frequency mode.
Celestial report forwarded. Southeast at 35 miles per hour.
What? Huh? SVR! Oh! SVR for Schuylkill County! That's WNG! That's WNG! Lebanon County! But the Sandgene failed! The Sandgene has failed me once again!
17. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania.
Yup.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in
Pennsylvania.
Lebanon, and Schuylkill.
And Dauphin County, too. WXL